always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Who doesn't love chocolate? Everybody that I know loves to have some sort of chocolate treat.
Chocolate.
So today I've decided to make, for a first, Keto Chocolate Mousse, which will only take you about 10 minutes to make. So if you are interested to see how I make this absolutely delicious and Moorish chocolate mousse, then please keep watching. So this is the final product. I've garnished it with some blackberries and some whipped cream, and I've put it in a beautiful glass. So, taste test. It's been set in the fridge for about just under an hour. Absolutely delicious. You can't taste the stevia. There's little flecks of the organic chocolate that runs through the mousse. It's silky, it's smooth, it's delicious, great as a dessert for a dinner party, or just because you just want to have some chocolate. So on that note everybody, if you enjoyed watching me make this very quick and simple keto chocolate mousse, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Of course, I'm going to finish this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.